Okay, Part D asks us to construct a 95% confidence interval for the population mean height of males of this country. So what we need to do, we need to know some information from Part A in order to find Part D. So using our calculator, let's see how these answers, here it is, and we're going to go to Stat, scroll over to Test. And we need to know which test is it going to be. Is it a Z, T, or a proportion? Well, if I go back and we can look at the original question here. Among various ethnic groups, the standard deviation of heights is known to be approximately 3 inches. So we were given the population standard deviation, which was found. We're also given the mean, and it was a sample of 47. So that lets me know it's going to be a Z. And we have the stats were given to us in the question. And we know the standard population standard deviation is 3. The mean is 70. And we had 47. We're looking at a 95% confidence interval. And so we're going to calculate, and so we get our our confidence interval of 69.142 to 70.858. So there is our confidence interval. And in order to sketch the graph, remember what alpha is. Well, if it's a 95% confidence interval, then our alpha is 5%, or 0.05. We divide it by 2, and I get to 0.025. Okay, and the confidence level is 0.95, which was given to us in our question, because it was asking for a 95% confidence interval. And the lowest value, which would be this one, is the 69.14, and the higher interval, or the higher part of that interval, is 70.86. And that error bound was, since it was 70 was our mean, you plus or minus the error bound, so that's going to be the 0.86.